Did you know that milk, a food once considered essential for our health, could it actually pose a threat to our well-being? The truth is that in recent years, milk has been at the center of a heated scientific debate, raising significant concerns regarding its potential risks to human health. The problem is serious, and ignoring it could have devastating consequences on our health. However, all is not lost. In this video, we will provide you with detailed, up-to-date information to help you fully understand the risks associated with consuming milk and to make informed decisions to protect your health. Make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss a second of the crucial information we have to offer. Before we start, though, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And now, without further ado, let's get to the heart of the milk debate. The harm caused by milk consumption to human health, a scientific perspective. Milk, long considered an essential source of nutrients, has recently been the subject of growing scientific interest due to its alleged harmful effects on human health. This food, once considered a pillar of the Mediterranean diet, is emerging as a potential threat to individual well-being, highlighting the need for a critical reconsideration of its role in human nutrition. Recent studies and risks to human health. In recent years, numerous scientific studies have raised significant concerns regarding milk consumption and its potential negative impacts on human health. One of the most discussed aspects concerns lactose intolerance, a common condition that affects a large percentage of the world's population. Research has shown that approximately 70% of adults worldwide suffer from lactose intolerance, a disorder that leads to unpleasant gastrointestinal symptoms such as abdominal bloating, cramps, diarrhea, and flatulence. Despite the prevalence of this condition, many individuals remain unaware of their intolerance and continue to consume milk and dairy products, ignoring the negative effects on their health. Milk and the risk of cancer, a new light on the risks. In recent years, the scientific community has begun to investigate a possible link between milk consumption and the onset of some cancers, particularly prostate and breast cancer. Some studies have observed an association between high dairy consumption and an increased risk of developing these types of cancer. Further investigations are needed to better understand the mechanisms underlying this potential association, and to define more precisely the role of milk in the prevention or onset of tumors. Milk and osteoporosis, a controversial link. For a long time, milk has been promoted as a rich source of calcium, which is critical for bone health and the prevention of osteoporosis. However, recent studies have challenged this paradigm, suggesting that excessive consumption of dairy products, it may even increase the risk of bone fractures, especially in older women. These controversial findings raise questions about milk's effectiveness in promoting bone health, and they question dietary guidelines that recommend high consumption. Research suggests the need for a critical review of our beliefs about milk and its impact on bone health. Hormones and growth factors, the hidden risks in milk. One of the less discussed but equally relevant aspects concerns the presence of hormones and growth factors in cow's milk. These compounds, naturally present in milk, can have unwanted effects on the human body, raising further concerns about the safety of milk consumption. One of the main hormones found in cow's milk is insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, known for its role in stimulating cell growth. However, some studies have suggested that high exposure to IGF-1 could increase the risk of developing certain types of cancer, including prostate and breast cancer. Although research on this topic is still in its preliminary stages, these findings raise significant concerns regarding the safety of milk consumption and its potential effects on human health. It is essential to conduct further investigations to fully understand the role of IGF-1 and other hormones in milk. and to determine whether their consumption can actually influence the risk of chronic diseases. Milk, a food suitable only for calves. One of the key issues to consider is that cow's milk was evolutionarily designed to meet the nutritional needs of calves, not adult humans. Cow's milk contains a specific nutritional composition, which is optimized for the rapid development and growth of calves, but it may not be ideal for humans. Additionally, humans have a different digestive system than calves. While calves produce the enzyme lactase to digest lactose in milk, many humans lose the ability to produce lactase after childhood, causing lactose intolerance and unpleasant gastrointestinal symptoms after consuming dairy products. This lack of evolutionary adaptation to cow's milk consumption in humans raises fundamental questions about the safety and appropriateness of its consumption in the human diet. Although some populations may tolerate milk better than others, it is important to recognize that milk is not a universal food and that its consumption may not be suitable for everyone. Alternatives to milk, a conscious choice for health and the environment. In light of growing concerns about the health risks associated with milk consumption, more and more people are exploring plant-based alternatives to cow's milk. Soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, and other plant-based options offer a nutritionally rich and sustainable alternative to traditional milk. Plant-based alternatives to milk can provide adequate calcium, protein, and other essential nutrients without the potential health risks associated with cow's milk. Additionally, these alternatives are often more digestible and suitable for people with lactose intolerance or other specific dietary conditions. Additionally, choosing to consume plant-based alternatives to milk can have a significant impact on the environment. The dairy industry is associated with high consumption of natural resources and serious environmental problems, including water pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing plant-based alternatives to milk, people can help reduce their environmental impact and adopt more sustainable eating habits. This choice not only benefits your health, but also that of the planet, promoting a more ecological and responsible lifestyle. Milk, once considered an essential food for human health, is emerging as a potential threat to individual well-being. Recent scientific studies have raised significant concerns regarding the potential health risks associated with milk consumption, including lactose intolerance, risk of osteoporosis, possible correlations with cancer, and presence of hormones and growth factors. Furthermore, cow's milk was evolutionarily designed for calves and may not be suitable for human consumption, given the lack of evolutionary adaptation and potential adverse health effects. Faced with this evidence, it is essential to adopt a conscious and critical approach towards milk consumption and consider safer and more sustainable plant-based alternatives. Finally, it is advisable to consult a health professional or nutritionist to receive personalized dietary advice and make informed decisions regarding the consumption of milk and dairy products. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, like it, and activate the bell so you don't miss out on more informative and inspiring content. Remember, your health is your most precious wealth.